right, welcome everyone to our team training. Tonight we're going to be talking about cleaning with oils. Oils are so powerful for cleaning, and we'll go over the different oils that that you can select from, and also some specific recipes. I am Joni Zander. I am your team leader. I'm a wellness advocate and an essential oil educator. So let's go over the different categories of oils that you would want for cleaning. So the disinfecting oils, or the oils that stand out the most for disinfecting, are eucalyptus, lemon, and lime. Our next category is our antiviral oils. Lots of oils in this category. We've got arbor vitae, we've got blue tansy, cassia, cinnamon, clove, eucalyptus, melaleuca, melissa, myrrh, oregano, thyme, turmeric, and yarrow. Now our yarrow comes mixed with pomegranate oil. Still very, very effective. Our next category is our antiseptic oils. You'll see that there's even more of those. We've got cedarwood, cinnamon, cypress, Douglas fir, grapefruit, juniper berry, lemon, lime, melaleuca. You can see there's a little bit of carryover there. Petitgreen, red mandarin, spearmint, vetiver, white fir, and wild orange. Now I don't know if we still have any white fir. I know that that is something that has been discontinued, and so you would substitute that for substitute Douglas fir. You would substitute Douglas fir for the white fir. So those are your antiseptic oils. The next category is your antibacterial oils. Now you can see that there are even more. And so what's great about this is you can substitute an oil that you already have for some of the others on the list, or you can add to your collection and try a new oil. They have varying degrees of the property. I prefer to have every oil, and I like to mix and match and kind of work on what I'm feeling. All of these have antibacterial properties. So it's arbor vitae, basil, bergamot, cilantro, clove, copaiba, coriander, cypress, eucalyptus again, lavender, lemon and lime, marjoram, melaleuca, melissa, oregano, Roman chamomile, and turmeric. Now, oregano is, as far as I know, the most antibacterial substance in the world. And so if you're really looking for something that has that really powerful punch, oregano, add melissa to that, and you really have something very, very, very powerful. I want to talk just a minute about the On Guard product line, because when we're talking about cleaning, the On Guard line is really a powerhouse. I use the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate for my dishes, for my floor, for pretty much everything. There's just the On Guard oil that is super powerful for any kind of cleaning, both internal and surface cleaning. And there was a really great study a number of years ago. The gal was studying essential oils' effect on MRSA on hard surfaces, and how long the essential oil mixed with water and the dilutions would make it so that MRSA could not reinfect a hard surface. And it was with On Guard, I don't remember the dilution. It was a pretty high dilution, so it was a lot of water to some On Guard, and would not allow the MRSA to populate on a hard surface for 7 days. So very, very powerful. I also, cleaning wise, I also use the On Guard laundry detergent. It is super concentrated. So I use half a cap in a triple load, and it does a great job. Okay, so let's get into a few recipes. So these are all from doterra.com. I just searched cleaning and came up with tons of recipes. So the first one is your DIY fridge and microwave cleaner You're going to use 1 cup of white vinegar, 2 cups of hot water, and 15 drops of lemon oil. You combine all of that in a glass spray bottle, spray, scrub, and wipe with a damp cloth, and you're going to get all of that grungy stuff off of your microwave and out of your fridge. And your fridge and microwave are going to smell fresh and clean. For your stove tops, so that's going to be much more grimy. So you're going to need the grit of the baking soda. You're going to take half a cup of the baking soda. You're going to take a 1/4 cup of table salt. That's going to give you a lot of grit. You're going to take a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of water and 4 to 5 drops of the Purify Cleansing Blend. This is also a blend that I use in the laundry to really step it up a notch. So you're going to stir those ingredients together until they form a paste. You're going to spread it over your cooktop. You're going to leave it on for at least 15 minutes. If it's really grimy, you're going to leave it on for even longer. You're going to scrub with a sponge so that you get it mixed in with the grime, kind of blended in with that. And then you're going to remove the excess cleaner and wipe it clean. Lots of products on the market. If you go to the grocery store, you're going to see a whole aisle of cleaners. I actually can't stand to walk through that aisle because the synthetic fragrances are so strong. This is a soft scrub cleanser, so this is going to replace the soft scrub cleaning for your tub, tile. 3/4 rounded cup of baking soda, a 1/4 cup of unscented liquid Castile soap, 1 teaspoon of water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 5 to 10 drops of lemon oil. I would think that you could use any of the citruses. Combine the soap and the soda in a bowl, add the water and stir it up, add the vinegar and essential oil, and make that into a soft paste. You can store that in an airtight container and use that just as you would any tub and tile cleaner. Next is your yoga mat spray. So if you are into yoga, you know that your yoga mat gets kind of gross and sweaty and a little bit sticky. And so taking 3/4 cup of distilled water, 1/4 cup of either the alcohol-free witch hazel or white vinegar, 5 drops of lavender oil, 3 drops of melaleuca or tea tree oil. You're going to combine all of that into a glass spray bottle. You want to, on all of these, you want to shake them before you use them and then spray your mat and wipe it with a dry towel. I would also recommend just leaving it out for a few minutes just to make sure that it's completely dry before you roll up your mat. All right, so Gardener's Hand Soap. This one is designed to clean, soften, and exfoliate your hands. You're going to take half a cup of white sugar, 3 tablespoons of the liquid Castile soap, again unscented, 1 teaspoon of almond oil. If you don't have almond oil, you could substitute jojoba oil or fractionated coconut oil for this one. 7 drops of the clary sage and 5 drops of melaleuca or tea tree oil. Combine all of those into a small bowl and stir it until it's smooth, and then you want to transfer it to an airtight container. To use it, you're going to just grab a scoop of it in your hand, scrub your hands with it. You can even scrub under your nails, and that again will clean, soften, and exfoliate. Wood polish. So again, what we're doing is replacing the items that you find in a grocery store with more natural products. So this one is a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of vinegar, probably the white vinegar, 10 drops of essential oils. So you can mix this up. Some of the suggestions are wild orange, arborvitae, or lemon. There are many others that you could use as well. I would recommend having one of the wood oils as a few of the 10 drops, at least 2 of the 10 drops. So that would be arborvitae or Douglas fir, or even frankincense, myrrh, or sandalwood, any of the, or copaiba. any of the wood resin oils. So you're going to combine all of those in a glass spray bottle, shake well before each use, and then apply to a microfiber cloth and wipe the wood surfaces clean. The last recipe I have for you is a glass cleaner. Now, granted, most of the cleaner part of this is going to come from the vinegar. You're going to do 1.5 cups of white vinegar, a half a cup of distilled water, and then 8 drops of whatever your favorite citrus oil is. So that could be lemon, lime, grapefruit, wild orange, it could be Litsea, it could be one of the specialty citrus oils that we only have part-time, could be the green mandarin, any of the citrus oils. You're going to combine all of the ingredients in a 16-ounce glass spray bottle. Again, shake well before each use and apply to a microfiber cloth or spray the glass directly and then wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and wipe the glass surfaces clean. Those are our cleaners and how you use essential oils for cleaning. So when you're using the oils that just have the properties, so the disinfectant or the antiviral or the antibacterial, you can just add those to water and spray it. And any hard surfaces, any of these oils are going to work.
I've been using the all-purpose On Guard for cleaning most everything in the kitchen, especially my stove. It cuts through the grease real well too. For the bathroom, for the toilet, I take baking soda, and today I put in lemongrass and mixed it in with my baking soda. And I pour about a half a cup of vinegar in the bowl because we have really hard water. So I let that sit for a while, and then I put the 2 tablespoons of the baking soda and then scrub it.
And does that completely get rid of the hard water deposits?
It doesn't get rid of them totally, but pretty much. And I use a cloth toilet brush because it's a new toilet and I don't want to scratch it.
Because the On Guard Cleaner Concentrate obviously has On Guard in it, I feel really confident using that for anything. If someone comes into my van and they're sick, spraying the handles, no problem. It's gonna cut through whatever they bring into my van. So, and I do recommend a couple of the dirtiest places in any home is going to be your door handles and phones and that sort of thing. So cleaning your phone, cleaning your door handles occasionally with On Guard Cleaner Concentrate or On Guard in water is going to really help.
I would imagine that the On Guard sanitizing hand spray would work too.
Yes, and I do use that in the vault toilets when I go.
Yes.
Because it's so convenient. You know, I can carry it in my pocket. Well, thank you everyone for joining us, whether you are joining the replay or here live. I do encourage you to, if you can, to join us live. We are live 6:30 Pacific every Monday night, or most Monday nights. And we will see you next week. Thanks for joining us.